it's unfortunate when administration the teams tsa rona it's letting us down. Wa bona that administration is a disaster, to be honest. Wa bona. So tsholo re motho ke monga club o batlo driver o batlo kenya team hardly gymming. So those are the things that I will not allow na ke coach or ke club ya hawa ke hana, but o batlo kenyetsa lineup no ntso le kae be ke kaofela
for sure.
wa bona.
Kanti wa umirile mfethu.
Wa nqashitse wa bona that thing. And then mind you ko Northern Brothers ne ke volunteering ke ne ke volunteering wa bona. So ke tsona di challenges tseo so ban le tsona le more grassroots. It's so difficult to coach because of professionalism abayicavi. It's just motho na le nyoko, he wants to be known ko kasi, but hore dilo di conductiwe ka tsile grand a itololo banko ba ka SMS ka WhatsApp ka WhatsApp through tsona ntho tseo tsa setsi dilo proper. I won't compromise when it comes to principles. I won't compromise. No training, no play.
Simple as that. Simple as that, for sure.
I get no problem with motor when I schema le chairman that's none of my business. But if you don't come to training, you won't play. If you regime 9 o'clock, 8:30, radar. If we late, 7:45.
For sure.
Those are the principles. Understand. And then you cannot tell me or yes, it's your team, but let's sit down, let's have a meeting on a Monday or on a Sunday, find out or what's allowed. Based on unprofessional babona, I didn't even feel bad.
Yeah, for sure.
Whereby because of neke help ke out here whereby bizang Mish, former Swallows player.
Okay.
And I like to bizang the Bongs. Unfortunately, the Bongs he didn't play football at a high level, but this knowledge of football he buy a blind
for sure.
So after I get to WhatsApp you ke ba bontsha yona re matot I was fake start tool I'm a punch at kwelu so the winner response sana ka tel machital around 50 if ba kubile wena le rona rava so ke ona riding here or really that was the end of me coaching legends.
Ola bafethu re khutlile hape bana beso ka di comment tsa lona bafethu gore no Hope Network Sports must bring back Tomato because you felt to re ditaba tse ya le soka le dutlo ha mnate ha dia fella hantle. So o teng mana beso so ga ikena part 2 ona jwale ke mtswere. So let's not waste time bafethu. Let's subscribe and comment, let's like, let's share, and then re-enjoy in the show bafethu. Ke tsore matamati ke tsore bizuri o teng gape letsatsing la gajeno. Tomato
ngwaneso
o jwa ngwana
ai go la o thusa
thara since ka gona le ara di
ntse ke le teng ngwaneso
ra ipusha ngwaneso so
nyana
so ba lla batho ngwana
balelang
ba lla bizuri mfethu Tomato batho ba lla mfethu barai man scooter Tomato o sana taba tse ngata tsa batlang go bolella tsona. So ramkopa mfethu for part 2 re kopa motho for part 2. So I won't disappoint you guys. I'll bring him back. So thank you again Mme for honoring this invitation again. You never disappointed me. You always on time. So Mme so wa tsebe Mme o ka re tlhatlhanyane ana go utlore weekend ya hao ebile jwa ngwaneso before ke kena part 2 ya rona re qhobeke mo re felletseng teng.
Mona wa tseba weekend ya rona ke bolo all the time.
Ngwaneso
so nele bolo ya Fat Cats le bolo ya Tembisa social league but unfortunately I know akusobile le team ke coach so I know it's just on stress man.
For sure
so makehleng on stress that's where I find peace.
So last time ha ne re le mona ngwaneso ne se re di shapile ditabanyana tse ngata re tlile ka tsona o fitlheletse mo le mo se leng gore re shapilwe ke nako wa bona. I think nako re shapile mo la mo ne le gore re bua ka gore Bizori ne se re bua ka wena gore di ntshang after that, or if ke sa hopola sharp wa bona. So njengoba mfethu unolehiso re bua njengoba ko jwetsa ke re batho mfethu ba batla back e reng ho wena ra mfethu hore ho na le batho ba pangata be leng gore ba respect and they still want to hear your story going forward mfethu.
What's about go about honest, I understand, whereby you tell as it is.
Yeah.
I want no manga business.
Yes. Yeah.
So the challenge is the thing,
Obviously.
as always. But there are people who are there who help you, who pushes you. There are a couple of guys that I know already. If fully blind, I can turn to them, and not only financially, spiritually, mentally, physically. So motivation is by. So I cannot get high, feel pity. Like what we feel pity because of the more you feel pity for yourself, the more we put next. So but bye. I can say they help me. Not katabatsa but who boing le bon or ba around the bon. So many things they keep me positive. O ka mpona ka Sunday mona ke thabile. No, get demotivated.
For sure.
Motivate. There are people that I look up to. Some of them they are not even famous, but very relevant people. People are doing well. People who I wish to have what they have. Understand? So bye.
Yeah. Yes. I know tomato mfethu ka fela rona mo maphelong mfethu we go through difficulties wa bona ona le happy times, sad times, bad times, we hustle every day. So mole njengoba utsho mole ke mo re ntsa stress sa rona teng ke mo re ngore ba ke mo le ngore a re bontshe di problems sa rona teng because that's where re bang happy re bang rona wa e bona la dinyo. So the last time ngwana mme ne re le mona ha ne re qetella ho bua ne re le mola mo parting ela ya ntho tse leng gore azange tsa va grand via disc ya hao via end up also le gore ha o sa e rata fund one wa e bona la dinyo, but somebody came wa bona a fitla tshwara mfethu zwakala o tlo incena wa bona. So since o khutlile because I know razange o sa qhobeka go dlala professional or whatsoever ke a tseba go busy ka ntho tse phaya go kasi mfethu. So going forward ngwana mme going forward njengoba uyidlala ku Fat Cats uyidlala ku Genius ku Mambisa, what is your thinking elong gore maybe o shebile gore this is what I want to do now since se lo re disc ya aksale fund one ko yona va e modlala then ntsa o tso di pushang ke be jwalo.
Look, who want it into kids bang ball. So whatever that I do, it involves disc. But I'm not saying stereotype whereby if something yasha along the line, kitora anna kitsiba ball of it. And then most about to through football. Fortunate enough, kinale KFC, KFD. The license fetso etsa o ke na le safa si le dik fetso etsa kef si hana no.
Okay. Yeah, that's
so
nice. Yeah, that's nice.
And everything you need to empower yourself. O ka se be ore nna ne ke dlala bolo ha ba tle di pampiri. So ke sa le marketing. And then I'm not saying I want to be a head coach. You start somewhere. You start small. So because of ntho re bolayang ha o fetsa o dlala o batla ba head coach wa e bona ntho o bore hona le batho ba bang who have been there before you. So I'm still learning. It doesn't mean ke bapetse. I know, no, I still have to learn. I still have to be around people who have been long enough in coaching. So the foundation Unfortunately ya foundation Temba Zwane respana kaofela, but Hana no, he's been tied up. So Ronaldo yetsa di blanket drive.
I've seen so many.
Yeah, we
so many
deliver
times.
the groceries, Ronaldo home, go Tembisa. So we still starting but because of our Tolana grand, because of the main guy.
Ubisi.
Upila
Alisiko,
out of the country.
So coming to that wena Tomato ne njengoba ore tshwantse o empower ha o le motho wa bona. I know hore majita ba baya ba tla re disc and most of majita ba di entse di license di seal out license wa wa bona njengoba re tshore not all of us will become coaches after playing disc. When you started this long time ago Maniso, long time. I still remember on our team when coach akwa ko Soweto, I can't remember the name. Team I don't know if we tourist promotion they were winning games. Not the last time I checked it was number 1 that team. And then the other time I said because not Neki because of you. Nekiara from Midrand to Soweto, Nekiara Kilo Shebe because of when no coach. And then Arifika Mola is something different, but the team, it was never co-relegation zone, number 1. So what happened to go to Minyela when so went up with little coach Amul?
Northern Brothers.
Okay. All the team, because I remember the
yes, Northern Brothers. Look, you can blame me goal sighting lele because of ke try to dilo tsetsiwang in a proper way.
In a proper way, yes.
So when I coach or where mo kileng ko teng, if di la di tsa handle ho ba le miscommunication
for sure,
because of most ya di team tsa kokasi they're doing wrong things. Understand? So night doesn't mean ke coach team ya ko class ke etsa dilo tsa batho ba ko class ba bone dilo tshantse di be proper. If motho ke team manager ke team manager, if motho ke kidman ke kidman ke kidman mara ke na etsang disap sponsor ke ke sponsor. I've been around there and there. It's unfortunate when administration the teams tsa rona it's letting us down. Administration is a disaster, to be honest. So tsholo re motho ke monga club o batlo driver o batlo kenya team hardly gymming. So those are the things that I will not allow na ke coach or ke club ya hawa ke han, but o batlo kenyetsa lineup no ntse le kae be ke kaofela
for sure.
Kanti
wa mirile mfethu
wa ngqashitse wa bona riding here. And then mind you go Northern Brothers ne ke volunteerile ke ne ke volunteerile so ke tsona di challenges tseo tso ban le tsona le mo grassroots. It's so difficult to coach because of professionalism abayicavi. It's just motho o na le nyoko, he wants to be known ko kasi but hore dilo di conductiwe ka tsile grand a itololo so ke flop yo
because wa ikubutsa ka le nyela mfethu o bloma Tembisa o coach team ya ko Soweto. So training wise nel trainer la guy
ne trainela yimo Josi.
Oh, okay.
Hence ke chekere the guy had resources.
Okay.
Okay, you know how they are. Alisa Toma into ifuna uzoyithola what we had a couple of guys bako Tembisa. We had a couple of guys from Soweto. I tried to bahlakanisa hore re thole a well balanced team. So in terms of transport we were sorted. So re tse a setsa bona hore re number 1 maybe no setting boma 5 games. That's when re thoma re sabone ntho tse tshwanang. So I decided to I'm fit wa tseba keng I na stress I re tlwele re ska iseng wa bona that. But he had the resources out here.
Because I remember I think the games how it's 2, and there was a time you came back from that team leader and then I think you got red card or something, I can't remember. You came back and then you won the game. And then the next game we went again, we went again and you did well again. So I checked log standings more like the team was number 1, but then when I asked the 9 individual and then where is Biza? I couldn't get answering straightforward. So from that team then Dansang from Team Ono.
No, from Team LA, I went to Destroyers.
Okay.
I was dating assistant coach to Kolegile. Kolegile is a big coach. Yako Kasi.
Yeah.
Most players Jalan Pro, they played under him. Okay. So I was under Kolegile. I was a assistant coach. Neredlala ko
kana Kolegile ke Kholi.
Ke Kholi.
Oh, le bitso la Kolegile ke Kholi. Okay. Yeah, plus ke mone Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, ona le teng ko
I was under him. Yeah, we won promotion. Badlala ko Hollywood, Hanano. They had a good structure, they had a good chairman. They were doing things like okay.
Yeah.
So there was this team, Neidlala ko Hollywood. They came and said, "Hey, mfethu, refrazo zwa lotoro coach." So after winning, we chairman, mfethu, Chris, Chris, Majita Legends, Ampand. Oboratlile before, kare bafethu. Resana le project le Chris.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see whoever Ajwa. Up until Haifela, that's when I can come. Chris was an honest guy to me, so there was no way that nkamulelama. And then next about la utle taba or enfit. Peladama no lubuel but was so. So kamchala Chrissy during the year, Maragamchala Varvel, Gara Majitala Chatora, what cover can ringa. Season ifedile of which we did well got Destroyers about 3 to 4 games.
Okay.
It was a solid young team, exciting team. Unfortunately got the playoffs overall lose it go the semi-final.
Okay.
But necessary to promotion already. So I went to go Legends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Legends okay.
Legends, the scouts who salvito Leomon.
That is like a
Legends, Gatimbi Salon. So they are playing go Hollywood. Lebon.
Yeah.
So Haketloa go Destroyers, Kaya who Legends. Destroyers, City Lodala, Like one Legends.
Yeah.
So Kiona Destroyers. Number 1 Hanano.
Okay.
Through what? Through organization.
Through organization.
No, but I only stayed
through what into right.
Through it's right. Unfortunately, go Legends. I went there. I stayed for 3 months. Bankobaka SMS. Ka WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Ka WhatsApp. Through Tonan Ntotseo. Prop. I won't compromise when it comes to principles. I won't compromise. No training, no play.
Simple as that. Simple as that for sure.
I get no problem with motor when I was scheming le chairman. That's none of my business. But if you don't come to training, you won't play. If you regime 9 o'clock, 8:30, reda. If you late, 7:45.
For sure.
Those are the principles. Understand. And then you cannot tell me yes, it's your team, but let's sit down, let's have a meeting on a Monday or on a Sunday, find out or based on unprofessional babona. I didn't even feel bad.
Yeah, for sure.
Because of nege help ake autieng we bizang Mish, former Swallows player.
Okay.
And I like to bizang the Bongs. Unfortunately, the Bongs he didn't play football at a high level, but his knowledge of football, he buy a blind.
For sure.
So after I get to WhatsApp you, ke ba bontsha yona re matot. I was fagi statue. I'm a punch at Kolumo.
Yeah.
So doing the response sana ka tel machital around 50. If bakubile wen, le rona rava. So that was the end of me coaching Legends.
So this thing goes back, even whatever that says the higher leagues. If the chairman SMS and then read the bona the norm, and which is not right.
it shows hore admin ya rona
we're doing things wrong.
ya bad or wa understand, and then you wanna tell me hore if motho a etsa jwalo team ya hae e tlo ba kae? Are you surprised o bona destroy cell coding? No,
because they're not interfering with,
because of they doing their things in a proper way.
Yes,
it doesn't even have a year mo leking ya Hollywood, mara ke number one
for sure.
Ba ke season ya bona ya B3,
but ba go kae? I understand.
So
for not doing things right,
dilo right.
Yeah.
Wa understand if you don't compromise including na le melao ya teng,
for sure.
wa bona ka se re wena kwana kid manager but wena o raya angifuni ngibamba amabhola
Kanjani?
di tshware ke mandi ball because of kwana u team manager.
Yes.
Kwana kid manager u team manager o raya mina ngibhali team list tshantse ngwale ke ke coach. So you understand or more especially more the lower leagues, the surrounding ke tsona the bad influence go the chairman, so to say, because of everyone ke chairman and so the right hand man, they are the ones who are bad influence or one. So grassroots in a little challenges, but make no mistake, the talent
is there. Quality.
Top,
for sure.
Top.
That is why sometimes you can we check out kal set le leng wena bizuri ne. You'll correct me if I'm wrong. Bolo ya runa isinya ke batho belong, they don't have passion. They are just there to make money. And even if we including even the kid managers, we including even the team managers, they're just there to make money, not to support the coach or to support these boys. Because you not way go to Banka Team Broker from Khale. That is why everybody, they were like, they want part 2. Because they know Morbiza is passionate about this game. They know people already. This guy is passionate about this game. So the difficulties to it. Ke tsona tse o tsa hore dintho ha di run in a proper way. Wa bona le nyo. So over ile ko legends ngwane so how via ko legends, so since legends until now ha o so ka bona le something.
No. For now, I was sent no to when I scooter one. But I'm sure little coverage until somebody somewhere
for sure
will listen, will hear me out. But it's not about money is important. Money is important. Make no mistake. You understand? But the passion, the knowledge that I have for this Rona, the understanding of the grassroots, I can add so much value in a team. Understand? And I'm not limiting myself. If the challenge comes or chance to be head coach, I will. But if I can still be under somebody. Understand? So it's not all about me who a head coach. No. I can work under Lord. I can work under whoever.
For sure. As long as you can understanding you
exactly.
Thank you.
So when it comes to the resources, understand more disking the grassroots. But the resources not doing the right things. Understand? You cannot say when I development developing the coach. Who's coaching your development? How run a development? O promoter jwang dintwana hore di dlale ko first team. So unale development mara auna coach. Alena le structure. No graph. Alena yona no graph. Alena yona focus. But runa le development. Development pela collection it's whereby you buy dintwana the t-shirts. That's your development. Yes, the t-shirts are okay, but the structures are on. Siri, coach ya development is he working le coach ya first team? Program ya rona via jwang? Are they doing it? Those are the dynamics, those are the small things that they come in a long run. Why bona that thing? And I know to Lord you set out you research go dilong tse ba whereby ntwana e dlala ko wena. Because of it, like local how about right by Toria, Ntane developing. We developing we ain't saying.
Hey, you can't
only development, but I polo one, didn't turn at 20. What do you want to do dynamics? What do you want to dynamics? Kiki on the challenges. You don't just say only development. Let's sit down. Arbontan. This is what I think. What are you thinking? Why one are that in so Kiki on that in or get a messlogo by.
Yeah. So do you think the chairman tshwanetse ba bane le a mandate for the coach ba hire coach and then ba ske ba interfere abane le mandate wa ya tshware coach Biza ke Spani 5 games I want 9 points or what and then by distance about a chance if you fail to that then they can sack you. So do you think that way it can work, or because of the interference you as a coach, because of right now they will say hana discipline in our country. It's like this coach hana discipline. This coach thinks what because it's always the blame always goes to the coaches. Not checking the inventory. We're not doing things in the proper way.
100% correct, Loki.
Yeah.
How join a team when a team ya Sbongile.
Le idala ko division ro kae? I see that.
Idala Northwest.
Mo ko spanang Swah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Whereby ki lady, she'll come go dressing room. Are ntama man Kenya mama. Ki me how akihan. But you won't tell me hore ki Kenya man kinsema.
That is wrong.
You tell me go stationing ki dlale 11v11.
How?
You can't tell me hore ke etseng.
You're the one who's preparing the team, and you know better.
So momzanti ki ona problem. If you coach kamala how o tlo kawate. Wa bona daring you. It's unfortunate kabo coach Tentens. You may see a hamba boy because of, in my opinion, o alawa hore faga ban keep a ban. But ko lengamleng, I don't believe we're by yet and two. So why trans by yet so when an attack?
Yeah.
Why one daring you or faga ban keep a ban? Mina a training yam nyezanga Tuesday. 11v11 11v11 session how we yet as well session re based on the mistakes re di entseng re thotseng kai go gaming. So how 11v11 what are you correcting?
And I strongly believe you plan before you go to training. With the plans how today
planning we tola go gaming.
Yes.
So how it's 11v11 o correctang ka 11v11
nothing.
Yeah. So it's about the chairman understanding this before understand. So if you bale gap here you remote understandable iba problem automatically. So ki team ya high tshwantsa tsebe vele ho dlala mang o etsa. So that is why hore ha ke fitla mo team what's your mandate? It's to win the league. How do you want to win the league? How do you want to win the league? Because of same thing local destroyers. Same thing Leona go legends. We sit where target Yarona for first round. We playing so much games, key target Yaron.
Yeah.
Yeah, the points is red battle. When the points is red battle, we group those games into 5. 5 in a month. 15 points. Out of 15 points, we targeting 13. If you drop a key 2. Second round, the team is redrawing it on there's no way that tshwanetse ba re tshwanetse re draw le bona ba re jile rabaj ba re ba jile we go back or ba re ba jile rabaj after every game hona le di notes tse ngwadiwa ka Monday who kaiwa program match report or this is what happened re thotse di khona tse kana re mistitse ntho tse so re bentse wa bona re session e planiwe from guy
for sure.
So if wena monga team o tlo mpotsa hore o batla 11v11 so wa bona hore misunderstanding e thoma guy
okay bona 100%
it thoma more misunderstanding whereby hore ka Monday we played on a Saturday, on Monday regime no funeki off Monday off yan Emon, Sundance ijima Monday to Monday. Wena obatlo ya kwa obatlo lofa ka Monday. Obatlo ya ka.
Yeah, obatlo ya ka Monday. Yeah, o khathetse ke game.
Obapetse ka Saturday.
Yeah.
Ona le Sunday.
O sa batla Monday.
O batla le Monday ha.
Yeah.
So those are the things that mokasi di radileka Habaya and then di alawa ke bang ba club wa bona that ding hore ha scooter ka go monga club mina chairman ngikhathele mtsheleni ukuthi ngifuni off man bafana ba khathetse man ba fe off ba phumule wa bona that ding so those are the things we some more and then how zama we install that in that mentality more teamy phela you know people most darkies reba comfortable once you get into comfortable I low ya shop I low street wa understand and then if u batlo ba o tshwana le batho ba bang never look you have to be different
for sure
so le batho ba wina bo Sundowns ba wina so because of they do things in a different way abaye tso tshwana le the rest so those are the things that we should fix more especially le di chairman tsa di team more especially the players tsa rona or in fact you won't play high level if you don't train there's no way I've never heard bare Thabo Matlaba who missed its session Themba Zwane missed its session they train when you want to get to that level you want to skip training it doesn't make sense.
And again, to add on that, there was this clip that I saw where Coach Steve Kompela, he's saying people by mistake a disc. Kauri banana or papata logadi halo dala game. You working the whole week. You're getting paid by training. Because game is not you prepare. This is the preparation for what you are going to do. So people they take it for granted. Yeah, okay, training is the way to go. So coming to that when episode because of one of the challenges still ngore majita le di face ko kasi ba bona le especially ka grassroots njengo ba re bua ka yona no ke molong ngore o qarile ko teng and le wena you still want to grow because you took yourself serious or you want to or we upgrade le wena o bane le di pampiri tse batlalang wa understand and then these boys njengoba ne re buile last we like kwala ya taba ya okay bafana ba kena scale bana di phone di social media di what I want so 100 gana o bua ne re bua ka taba ela ya di agent and se go feleletsa our thing and then you became emotional because of what happened I want so coming to this, do you think or even these boys o perform high one nyana ko kasi and then ona le somebody atla ngatlho mkenya ngcondo nyana tsesiyo
it's good we cannot run away from social media you understand ki generation ya no generation ya no rana ke social media you understand it's good and then it's bad it's good whereby hana no bona ke mang big play from nowhere or famous by doing what through social media social media it's easy to go YouTube whatsoever
if you do things right
o check we trainees wena ka boy of which re gotsisi yo that ke nako ya ana no when it comes to agents there are good agents there are bad agents majority ya bona in my opinion kore majitale as long when o dlala for now ilwena scooter for now they'll want you but after they don't care they don't give a damn about you or website after you mfethu angikho ngise overseas ngise meeting you understand very few whereby they look after their players or one and then Leona it's a two-way thing it's a two-way thing ke agent le play hore una le agent e grand player ya bet when le player e betang agent e grand wa bona it depends or thotse motho jwa I cannot say the agent ka ofela that bet
for sure
I cannot say the player ka ofela that bet whereby o thola player good salary a batlo mamela hore mfiti big man you cannot control motho ka nyuke ya ha and then our machita aba thole the advisors whatsoever or understand it's iba dice in my opinion I cannot say the agent did that better I cannot say the players they're right but always the case or in most cases so to say most cases agents are there whilst very few whereby that they they want to look after you
so as re shifta focus ha nyane ra so busy una le this thing like right now we are sitting here, we're talking about football, we're talking about from grassroots up to higher level, and then when we talk about our journey there are people that they think or maybe we criticize the chairman, or we bad mouth the team, or we are taking people, whereas re bua ka wena no ntwe o tlhaetseng along this journey ya football wa ibona le dinyo. Do you think hore it's fair hore batho ba re attack in a way that maybe they thinking hore we are here because of we are bitter, we are here because of we are angry, we are here because of we made wrong decisions? Because what I can tell you, Bizori, when you go through our comments, they are out of 10, there's this one person or what that will take his tsela ha e wana tse so ara 450 wana e thola kana go we sign it mos wa e bona le nyo, and then ba attack as if you are taking the teams or you bad mouthing them. So we wanna jwang wena mo ngwana ma re bua ka ntse tse tlhaetseng, do we criticize batho re bua di nnete tse re tsamaileng mo tsona?
No, look, to start with or compare is stealing joy. If you compare, if you start comparing, you're stealing joy. You understand? And then dilo never did tshwane le gale.
Yeah.
You understand? So ba lengana no ke nako ya bona.
For sure.
Ke nako ya bona.
For sure.
We not here, I'm not here to mang o phala mang, mang a phale mang. That's none of my business. You understand? So I'm not here to say mang galo no le jwang. Tedi sa ke tshokera no ke di phone. Social media, without social media, I wanna next. Na for now, it me for 2 hours. You feel like that relationship something.
For sure.
So na for na, compare. It's a no to me. But one way or another, what happened is something no. And then certain things you can see or in fact, when now Jimmy, this is what will happen if you say Jimmy. It's not about who compare, but it's about seeing the problem coming before. One understand?
And trying to solve that problem.
Don't go to training when you're drunk. I heard people talking or when out la gymming or tahil. Stop it. It's about helping, not comparing, but helping.
Yeah.
Trying to show tsela. Motho le motho na le diphoso tsa.
For sure.
Yena wa lanka wena ore yeah we sign it. As he kick the ball. Does he have the feeling? Yeah, you go dressing room.
Yeah.
You understand? So society ya rona e ka mogomo if you ka latela holo, you'll end up being angry whereby you are doing a right thing but to gcina o kwatile because of somebody o nyaka no kwatisa fela ore wa o ya pare katiba e red o sa apara e black.
Yeah, for sure.
Ya pare black wa o sa apara white. So you cannot please everyone.
Yeah.
Well, understand? And then it's all about what you do. You do it through love, telling somebody, or there's no way you can Antwana or in fact, Lofa Jimmy. No, so Antwana la you it like it's that put high, but he knows deep down or I'll tell you in Chailavar.
Yeah.
I'm not saying they should be perfect, but they should listen. Buying yeah, not like decide the way I born or it almost panel or
yeah. So we bail on 100% and a kofela e utlwahala wa e bona le dinyo. So no nagana le villa wa bona nagana le villa go on the other episode where the time in nalo na le mo azanga right touch villa ha fitla go philasi o no le da. So ke batla wena ntshayele experience ya how ya dressing room ya lona ra, because yena he told me already hore go dressing room mutsi ya lona ra, so who was the craziest go batho go majitembane ba le ra wa bona. So go batla from wena ga le go dressing room hore who was the craziest ka mo dressing room ya Pillars.
The dressing room mfethu they are so and then we had big players there.
Yeah.
I wanna like top players, and then you know the top players they jwang fetwe ba motho mo nga ba tlubua le batho.
Yeah.
You'll have Utiko again and re va ka sprint again ara ka sprint how can say the headset o kentse le head ya buise motho.
Yeah.
From mo to Tzaneen, asa buise motho.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. From Jozi to Tzaneen,
Yeah,
a buise motho. And then guess what? I can ground on with
Pheta mabaka. Yeah.
Pheta mabaka.
Pheta mabaka, yeah.
Ha re khutla from Tzaneen to Joburg. Ke ena dutse mo Springton, o shebile kamo, o buisa
Yeah,
everybody
everyone,
thabi.
yes, yeah.
So it was no depend gore ke di game tse jwang. Ne rena le majita mang a tshwanang le bo Pascal Mabitle. Na ba mitsa Boza, na le bo Jam Jam. Samkelo. Yeah, Samkelo.
Yeah, for sure.
Samkelo.
Yeah.
Bo Jux Machaka. Bo Dr. Malope from Cosmos.
Yes.
Utla uxoxela ditori tsa Cosmos from Joburg to Tzaneen. So nane ke le all rounder. Ne ke sni a specific group ya hore ke plomal bo mang.
Yeah, for sure.
Ke all rounder. Mo le ne rena le bo Bruce Ramkhaya.
Yeah.
Michael Shaka.
Yeah, big names most.
Yeah.
Jesus.
So mo le ne no sne motho a nang le taba le motho mong. If o kwatile
Ke tsa hao.
a rona. If ba tlo bua le rona. So moody ne ba different every time I read that.
Ne.
Yeah.
So kaure yana kutula ntshela gore as Khungwane comes tops. May his Khudmani's soul continue to rest in peace.
Damshege I started knowing him Eskichilo last
year. The other time, yes.
So ne ke engage le yana more. So ne ke mtseba in the more go groundong le outside.
The outside, yes.
So only in fact he was more than a player to me. Ne more of
I remember you said it. I know you.
Father figure. So the shakes ne ke mtseba in a personal lieve. So for now, it goes deep. Isiga ngaphakathi.
For sure.
Isiga ngaphakathi. Yeah.
So Bizuru Ngwane, so right now njengoba uli busy ubatla pusha something yawe eleng hore you good ka yona, passion ya hao ya disc. What are the challenges still what the faces right now?
The challenges is kuta kin 21 ke bona. The club owners whereby they don't know gore ba batla motho batla promotion mara itse gore tlo ithola jwang. Planning. So iba yona challenge. And then how months are planning o bona ka tla re wena o batla mo controller o bona ka tla re o batla rana team ya hae wa bona. So if re ka thola majita a tsebang gore ba batlang greng dintwana tsa rona da need am fit that thing. And then so difficult for bona gore ntwana etswang kasi ithole team, but it's much easier whereby team kya kasi. Those are the dynamics. So hutlwamo you cannot even go Tlorokop from team bisa to Tlorokop Ojima. They won't even allow you. But if ki team ya lona ko kasi the challenges are normal are there, but if una le structure se grand everybody can benefit within community ya kasi alone.
Yeah. And the other thing again, there was a comment from the TikTok. I think there were 3. They were saying like similar thing. They wanted to know, how did you manage to soldier on after whatever that happened to you between the agent that he came all of a sudden, that he was nowhere to be seen. And how do you manage to come back strong and then we play Norman? Just because of this happened to me, I'm not going to give up for this young one. So I think there were 3 or 4, they were asking a similar question.
Look, this thing doesn't come easy. You understand? It doesn't come cheap.
Yeah.
And then I think to why overcome manje. It took time. In training, mentally, emotionally, physical. It wasn't easy. Maybe the support structure saka nesele sharp, nesele strong.
Yeah.
Hence kichokere support is not only about money, but now it's about how kabua le smama mama. How kabali smama mama. Wayabona? So it wasn't an easy time or period to be around, but through people ba ne ke phila around bona, they helped me a lot. Wayabona? Because of whereby if ke feel I give up or ke feel somehow ke nahana batho balo who were there for me. How must I disappoint these people whereby they believed in me the bed. So there's no way that I can give up. It's really important. Surround yourself with batho ba leng positive. Ska phela le around batho ba lelekanang. Be with people that they have things that you dream of. Not only material things, but the thinking. The wisdom.
Yeah.
Understand. So it's very, very important. Oba around batuba. But if oba around batuba or how much 10 a month we are 10, you won't grow as well. But if you have people that they see things that they are strong in character, they grow you learn as a person.
Yeah.
But it doesn't come cheap. It doesn't come overnight. Because it comes hard. It comes hard. Because we are space disappointment seskana. Mara disappointment itla ile kapa. And at the end of the day, it's you, Scooter. You alone that must pick yourself up.
Yeah, for sure.
O ka ba le bona batho ba around, but if wena o batla go kwalla ko room, batla go kwalla ko ntlong, you killing yourself. Hlapa mfethu. Iba skono mfethu.
Yeah.
Shaya smile.
For sure. For sure.
One understand.
For sure. For sure.
You'll think differently. We going through a lot. We're going through a lot. Whereby oba happy go ground no, how you control, I'll be happy. It's bad.
Yeah.
But that's how it is. But if you throw equal what the body is, so it's emotional for me. Yeah.
So I strongly believe our subscribers and our supporters who are like wanting to know about all these things, I'm sure they're gonna be happy. They will understand or overcome whatever maybe the way we are treating it, they will hear it nice. So since Tomato mfethu recovery into the from our last episode, ne? So right now mfethu, there are so many things that are happening ko Betway Premier League. So many things that are happening that we see. Coach Gavin Hunt, Supersport. What's alarm on this?
Another level of it too. Certain things you won't understand from a distance.
Yeah.
Or
not knowing the inside.
Yeah, not knowing the inside. So it will be unfair for me
to comment on
it. But from a distance, Kevin Hunt has been doing well.
For sure.
Which I decided to
probably maybe we had a misunderstanding with. For sure.
So
we don't know.
I wouldn't want to comment because we are from a distance. The dynamics, the buy. And then we tell our team you are not cause you so it's difficult.
Sure.
To comment from a distance.
So when I Tomato madam, we watched Bafana playing against Lesotho. Uboning manisu ntoka re bolellang yona fela hore at least our national team is they doing well in 1 2 3, that when you can take positively, because we are not here to criticize and then we are not here to be negative.
In fact mdala u bitsa batho ba bonang hore ba tlo mo winela.
Yeah.
Ha win. Who win? So it shows or if you call people that you believe in and then you make them believe or believe you will win. You will win. So or criticize amdala or wanga fakanga bani.
Yeah, for sure.
Wanga fakanga bani.
Well, yeah.
Understand? So one thing I've learned or that I noticed coaching, if you make your players babon or believe they will play for you. My Italian national team, they play for Umdal.
Yeah.
They play for Umdal. They wanna die for him, and then that's why their results are there. So what else do you want? who badlalela coach
For sure.
wa bona ntwe le ne wa bona ra se motho a rasang wa re no but the job gets
the
done.
results di a zwakala
So o tlo re wa a sa bitsa mama
e le go ba win
o win no batlang
o tla ba bitsa motho wa mo isa kae because of he won ka bana le
Antsemang.
yeah for sure
Antsemang
Yeah.
yo bona ke yona ya di club chairman
Yeah.
hore o tladisa batho ba win wena re wa o sa kenye scoot ke Ntsemang a kenya scoot because of Kidala without scooter rowing. So those are the things o bontsha hore mdala o na le backbone and then the principles tsa hae are compromise ka tsona.
Coming to that when Bizori mfethu I saw how Ngezana is playing these days so one from ko teaming ya hae le ha tlile go bafana bafana ntwe buang is 100% it's totally different in Ngezana that we saw as a Chiefs e le hore ho nona le di so many critics about him wa ibona le nyo so for wena overall performance ya Majida ke mang o ka reng yeah this one no for now maybe you thought maybe you know some money that way but for when on that game Bafana he did very well for you.
I be difficult this good up Mara in a sense everybody is playing for everyone.
For
so
sure.
it's difficult for you to single out one player. Relay has been playing well go Pagani.
Pirates, yes.
Adams has been playing well go Sundowns.
Yeah.
The guy Alalang go ma Arab wa winger has been playing well. So who do you single out? Goalkeeper Williams Renwen has been doing well.
Yeah.
So wabanore ki team effort. It shows if the coach who yet environment we play for one another. In an individual that he must outshine somebody.
Yeah.
It's difficult. Who will say he had a bad game? No one.
Yeah, no.
Who will say man of the match? Oh, okay, turn to be man of the match one,
Yes.
but
Yeah, I wanted to come to that.
It becomes difficult because of everybody's playing for everyone. Why one So the environment, mdala ayetsa. You can see where everyone is happy for everyone. Everyone wants to play for anyone. Why one
Ne ke o thola Bizori ngwana mme we really am not even though there will always be that one player that will be selected or be chosen kara those 11 players that are in the field of play or what there will be that individual this one is man of the match because he scored, this one is man of the match because assisted whatsoever the case might be. So I don't know bafethu kopse ko mrao bafethu MDU una ntse le batlang maybe we would sabiza cops or o sharp mkhotsi mo mrao mo. So Bizori ngwana ka bona ne se re khavile ntho tse paya ngwaneso ke batla o nke this platform ngwaneso ne for a minute or 2 minutes just say biza ke wa bafethu we need a help 1 2 3 4 5 if you have socials where we can get hold of you wa ibona le nyo.
The help that I need when I skuta go thola span in coaching, so to say, I understand. Not to say I want to be a head coach.
Yeah, you said it for sure.
Not only that, or a head coach. It's difficult, but I'm doing my best to motivate myself to be around but back Randy. Trying to equip myself, you know. I don't tip around Tona Laura but toiletries to phone motu.
Yeah.
About data.
So
it's nice whereby you have your own income. Whatever not to how
yeah, for sure.
Even worse and I know banaba thing whereby trying to vice the cafeteria and stuff. So what I'm looking for is to get a job. To get a job. Sure. The rest will fall on pinch. So I don't wanna lie. It comes to my mind at times whereby I feel bad, I feel down, of which is natural. But at the same time, I pick myself up.
For sure. For sure. Because no one will.
I hate whereby
you feel
I feel pity for myself.
Yeah, for sure.
I keep blind because of when I do something, I commit. When I commit, I commit.
Yeah.
So I just need a job, man.
For sure, Nja.
Yeah.
No, the viewers in Mfethu Bashebelezi, like they spoke highly about you, Mfethu. They spoke highly about you, and I already told them that they will see you more often, Leronamo. hopefully mfethu something positive will come, which we'll have to pray for that, or mfethu uthusahale ngwaneso wabona, because le rona re le so mfethu we still hustling, we are not working, we trying everything gore re kgone ho phela wa e bona re so ntho movie e nka itjho ngwana mme since re tlo kwala ka gore ne re se re covera what we left ane re le mo wa bona over the weekend ngwana mme I don't know, re dlala Saturday or re dlala neng ka your other team se dlala ngone ko Fat Cats or what wa bona. You enjoyed yourself obviously. How did you play that go
ne re dlala ko Centurion, we played 2 games, hence I told you or I get joy ha ke le bolo.
Yeah,
that's where ke distress ang ko teng wa bona. So via o saying o khotla late
for sure,
o dutse bolong the whole day,
o happy,
you forget about everything.
yeah,
So we played 2 games. Yamathomo re win 3-2, Yamathomo ya Bichu re win 5-1. On Sunday ne re dlala ko Tembisa, very nice game against Kwasa.
for sure, it was a nice one.
Yeah, we lost 4-3, but
that
nevertheless
was a beautiful game.
Nevertheless, you go in the morning,
Enjoy,
where
come back late.
afternoon.
Yeah,
Well, understand. That's where I get my joy. Go grando, whereby you mix the majita.
For sure.
You talk whatever that you talk about. The positives, most importantly. I just need good vibes.
for sure.
Good vibes. You know, Scoot.
I know, man.
you know.
I know.
So I hate to be negative.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
O ka se tlo kontlong ka bo negative, o tle groundong o tlele bo negative. No. So good vibes, 90 minutes, good vibes, 247.
Sure. So maneso ra ikwala ntwe ba e go kopa mfela hore o ntshunele yona hona none go re fela o ntshelle di your supporters, our viewers ba Hope Network Sports, ne ba o batla ngwaneso, you hear, then they wanted to hear from you again. So what can you say to them?
No, aba support them to daring ya rona podcast ya rona, and thanks for the support. We so humble.
For sure.
The comments, good and bad.
For sure.
We take them.
We take them.
We grow from them.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Hence, Richard, we want good vibes. But also the comments, the bad ones, we take them. But we appreciate so much. Without bona,
for sure.
So we hope the numbers will go up again. And then everyone is not something it comes from within.
For sure.
It's pure truth.
Thank you very much.
No lies, no whatsoever. Get it straight. We're not here to criticize or whatsoever, but to pass the information or the knowledge to the up and coming ones. Or what happened, Motaskano. No.
Yeah, and before call on this, unali question e se ke lebetse ho botsa yona man ke hopola o ntse o bua so di le nyem fethu bisa sera kwala ngwaneso wa bona o tla mfa le whatever o ka itshong ba faneng ba zwakalang, or what is it that when you think or maybe e ka ba protector or ba ka khona o live after disc wa bona ra just the motivation nje wa bona, or the guidance or whatsoever you call it wabo. But before we fitla da mfethu hona le this thing eleng I don't understand it, but I understand probably njengo ba really we are learning. Even le bona di subscribers ba rona ba ka comment, they will tell me okay 1 2 3 uyaskela ko dlaleni ba batlo be doctor, ko dlaleni ba batlo be lawyer, ko dlaleni ba batlo be whatever accountant ne. Okay, uyaskela uqede u accountant no ne. Why usna daiding ya hore because of visa no is an accountant, you must have something to fall back on ne. We let's get for this. Obviously una di certificate for that. Why rona mo disking re tshwanetse re sokola ka ntse leng gore we know it better? Why is it abaela ya hore okay, Bisa played football and then Biza equipped himself to get certificates, and then Biza, what he knows is football, to work multi ski. Why as soccer players do we have to have this so-called thing, education to fall back on, to go and work again, whereas we are wiki. We are and soccer is span. We are one is so it didn't fail.
Look, polo is totally different in a sense, or it's a short career, so to say.
Yes.
If you are a doctor, you can be a doctor up until
Yeah.
Well, I understand.
Sure.
And then in terms of that, or why usadlali, not usadlali, why irbusetsa koko tabanya administration. Mo bolong mo mzansi na le pension fund. Why bona hore irbusetsa ka?
Yeah, for sure.
For yona for 10 years or 15 years we dladile.
Uvawule jwalo.
Why bona hore ba ka irbusetsa ka administration. Irbusetsa ka go the union. How many years did you pay ko union? After fetsa odlala, I'm not saying abayetsi into
no, you understand 100% for sure. For sure.
Wa understand. If oka checka le majita wa dladileng overseas, hore ho etsalang after, do we have the academy? What requirements for the academy? Tse batla scooter fetsa o dlala wa batla coach na or wena kwena loke mina bengidlalela iPirates, mina bengidlalela iSundowns, fanele nyo coach lapha ya una le in. If somebody azangadlala utla le dipampiri, who do you take?
I take the one with the pampiri, obviously.
So wa bona re jwa ya bolo, it's bit complicated. It will not make sense if udladile and then uba stereotype. But if uba bold, you can see, you can understand. Or yes, udladile. Not only to be a coach, team manager,
There's so many
CEO,
things,
massage, physical trainer. Mara, how do I check? We all want to be coaches. We all want to coach go PSL. We all want to coach high level. Who's going to coach go class?
No.
Nobody wants to coach go grassroots. Because of grassroots, that's so bad. The bad because of what? Administration. Boy, one or administration leisure.
No. Ke o utlwile 100% ngwaneso. So ke tse dintwana tse di abapala ngwana mme words of motivation nje fela then re kwale ngwaneso. What can you say to them, like the last time ane ke botsa Villa umputsetsa diets tsa hae tsa investment hore yena ho ya ka yena so ho ya ka wena ngwaneso ba tshwanetse ba tune ba fana.
Stay true to yourself. Don't have new friends ka bana sona le nyoko. All friends are the real friends.
For sure.
All friends are the real friends.
Danko.
Sure.
Danko. Ra kwala bana beso bizore thank ngwana mme again ka o shapela round, and we still people, they still gonna see more of you. So go Hope Network Sports, you'll always be here. Thank you, my brother, for honoring the invitation. Really appreciate, and I wish you all the best in everything that you wanna achieve. I so wish someone will call or someone will comment and ask for your numbers or whatsoever the case will be. So I wish you all the best. Ngwana mme nkare modimo aka o keletsa mfethu o be right dintho tsa ho di tsamaye the way o shebile nka teng hore le wena dingosi ba gone hore ba phile ko ntlong. For sure, Manis. Thank you so much, Hope Network Sports. Let's keep on subscribing. Let's hit that button, Bafetu Hope Network Sports. We on YouTube. So let's do all those good things, Bafetu, by subscribing. You asked for Matamati, we brought Matamati. Whoever that you want to ask for, we'll try our level best to go and look for that person that you want to see with us here. Like we said, we are not criticizing Bafetu. We are trying to build whatever that we are saying. It comes from our hearts. No script, nothing. We are talking like it is so, like it is. So bafethu, please let's keep on subscribing bafethu, let's like, let's comment, and then let's share so that the channel grows bafethu. Thank you. So hlangana futhi.